Hello friends. Now in this video tutorial, I'm going to create a website. Basically, this is a web design part one. We will learn the HTML basics, and then we will create a website in the next video. So first we need to go to file and choose a new file to create new file. So here we need to in the bottom showing the plain text. We need to select the HTML. Okay. Then now we need to type the HTML and the control space in the keyboard. Then you can see here the showing uh, HTML tag. Then we need to select this. Then you can see what happened here. Automatically create the HTML document type, HTML format. Basically, what will be the HTML format? Here, first uh, doc type HTML, and this is a HTML tag. This is a main tag in between two tags. First head tag, second body tag. What is the head tag? Actually, in the head tag, we are adding the meta information like a web page title, description. Here already created the title. You can also create here the meta name description. Okay, and here we need to add the content. This is description. Okay, and here we need to add the title. This is my web page. Okay, so you can see this is a head tag. We need to save this first, then we will able to understand what will be the show in the head tag and the what will be the show in the body tag, in between the body tag. Okay, basically body tag, when we adding anything in the body tag, in between the body tag, it will be show in the web page. Okay, so now we need to save this. Save as, select the desktop, select create new folder, web 001. Okay, select, double click in, came in this folder. This is a root folder. So we need to type here index. Okay, already have the extension save as type HTML. Okay, so save and goes in the desktop. Open this. You can see here title is showing, but in the uh, web page not showing anything because we have not added in the body. So control U or right click inspect, you can see. Otherwise right click view page source. Then you will able to see what we have added in the under the head tag, in the title and the description also. This is a meta information. This is a purpose for the Google SEO. When we are searching in the Google, then website is coming in the search result. Then this is a very important thing to add. We cannot put in the blank. Okay, so now I'm going to close this and came in the Sublime Text Editor. So here I'm adding here heading H1, control space. Then here we will add this is H1 heading because heading have the six type from H1 to S6, H1, H2, S3, S4, S5, S6. But H1 have the larger heading. Okay, reload this page. You can see this is a H1 heading. So now I'm going to copy this and we need to paste five times. We need we need to change only the heading H2. Okay. Also here we need to change H2, S3, H4, H5. Both places we need to H6. Okay. S6 is a last heading and smaller. We need to remove. Control S and reload this page. You can see this is a greater heading. This is a smaller. Okay. This is a smaller to H2. So you can understand where we need to put the heading. Okay. So now I'm going to add here the paragraph. Okay. Paragraph. This is paragraph. Okay. Control S and reload this page. Here you can see paragraph is showing here. So I hope you understand what is the HTML and where we need to put any content. Okay, and where we need to put the meta information. So next video we will learn the further details.